What'd you just say, Lexi? You miss Mom? Oh, look at that snot bubble. Oh my goodness. That was gross.
Pop!
Do you need to blow your nose now? Did you miss Mommy?
Yeah.
You miss Mommy? Blow me a kiss. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.